Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? I just looked at the screen and it's just the back of this chair. Well, that's okay. I was going to make a switch up in my purses and I thought I'd do it with y'all and y'all enjoy it. Because I'm wearing this kind of berry color, which is fine to wear with a fall, berry colors are also fall colors. Not all fall colors are brown and rust and yellow and green. But that is my Hermes bag that I've been carrying, and I enjoy it and I love it, and I'll probably switch back to it within a day or two, because this is clearly a great fall bag because of the colors. However, because of and it's fine to wear with what I've got on, but I kind of want to wear this Mulberry because it's got this oxblood berry color to it. It's a little more brown than the shirt. Shirt's a little more berry. This is a little more brown. But this has been sitting in the case, and there is a little bit of an imprint on that. I hope that will leave with time. But anyway, this is also a sturdy bag, and it's one that I know that I will carry, and it will probably get knocked around. But normally when I transfer from one bag to the other, what happens is I just transfer my CLOVERSAC bag organizer, and it goes from this one to this one. It fits. It's a medium size, and it will easily go. But lately, I will probably go right back to an organizer, to be honest with you. But lately what I've been carrying is all of my things in pouches. And I recently purchased this pouch. It says Be Young, Be Unique, Special, You Are One in a Million. Be young. I'm not young. And people say, well, you're young in your mind. I am who I am, who have always been as far as I can remember the way I thought and who I am. But y'all, I'm 60 years old. I'm not 20. And you have to accept that that's part of the journey. And it means that you're going to have crepey under eye stuff unless you have it fixed. It means that you're going to get arthritis in your fingers unless you can have surgery and need to get it fixed. So I'm not sure I even agree with this message, be young. Like, this is only for a young person. Unless it just means be young at heart. Young at heart, maybe. Okay, we'll go with that. But what I loved about this is this little outer pocket, and the fact that you can unzip this lower pocket and it just expands the size of this bottom. So you could easily put makeup in the top and brushes in the bottom for travel. But right now, I'm using this just as an interior pouch for my purse. And so what do I have? Well, in the top, I have this little zipper pouch, and it's got my little glasses wipes, and I can also wipe my iPhone with that because it's alcohol, and so it cleans it. Also, I've got my Chanel lipstick choices. I've got the rust color and the red color. I've got a mascara touch-up in case I need it, an eyeliner touch-up like for the wing, and then also a crayon color for the inner rim, the waterline. And then down in here, I have got some pure gum, P-U-R, and it's aspartame-free, so it has sugar. It has 2 carbs for 2 pieces, so it's 5 calories. I'd rather do that than have aspartame in me, so I like that brand. And the taste that I like is peppermint. They've also got bubble gum and spearmint, but I like peppermint. Spearmint's a little strong for me. Then I have my Chanel. This is color number 02 Rose Bronze, which y'all know I use a lot. Matter of fact, I'll probably touch up with that in a minute. I always have one little individual eye makeup wipe in case I get a major boo-boo that I didn't realize and I need it later. These are the individually packed ones from Neutrogena, and they even can remove waterproof mascara. I've got a Caudalie Thé de Vigne, which means gourmet hand cream, but it's a hand and nail cream. It's very smoothing, and it doesn't leave behind a residue. Residue. I can't talk. This is an old little pair of scissors that looks like a pin, and so it's easy in my purse, and it's worn off where it's from. So that's I like to have scissors in my purse in case I need to cut something or someone else does, and it's like, does anybody have a pair of scissors? I love milk. This is just a correcting tape. It looks like a little milk. I think it's cute. Ordered that online. This is just an Elizabeth Arden sample thing that I got from Nordstrom, but inside I cleaned it out real good because I think it had a cream that I was going to try for my eyes. I cleaned it out really good, and it's got earring backs, clear earring backs, in case somebody's like, oh my gosh, I've about lost earring. I'm like, we'll put an earring back on that, and it won't do that. This pair of earrings did not, which I love. I got this on a trip that I just came off of with my Better Than Therapy gals. And I just fell in love with this artist, and I got this pair of earrings. I've always looked for this shape and look, so I fell in love with it when I saw it. But they didn't have earring back, so I got some out of my little thing. Just because this is a French wire, and so it can just come right out, especially if long hair and a short neck, which I do. You can do like that, and it'll push it right back out of the hole if you don't have an earring back on. And then I just have a pen, a purple lip pen, a yellow highlighter, and 2 Sharpies, one big one, one little one. I've often needed that. And then also a measuring tape, because I've often needed that. And for some reason, there's a little pepper in here. I don't know why that is. I really have no clue why there's a little pepper in here. Okay, so I'm just going to put all this back in. This wasn't supposed to be a what's in my bag. Why did I just do all that? Ah! Hold on. I don't want to not put that in my bag. So hold on. You got to wait for me to grab it. I drop everything. It's really weird. Half the time that I drop stuff, though, I just did it again. I catch it midair. So both of those drops I didn't. But I'm trying to show you this at a weird angle. So anyway. I've needed this gum. I'm so glad I did this, because yesterday I was a little nauseated for some reason. And, you know, I am trying a new diet, and I don't know that I got enough food in the morning, which will make you nauseated. And also, by the way, because this can also compact back down, I do like that because it makes it thin. So I'm just putting that in the bag. I also have just a see-through bag, and it's got some cards in case I forgot one, I need one. It's also got some different sanitizers, a Purell wipe, and then some sanitizers from Bath & Body Works, and then a pair of gloves and a mask and a spray sanitizer. So this is my COVID-19 bag. We didn't have to worry about that before, even though I've always been kind of like that anyway. This y'all have seen many times, so I won't go through this, but this is my Medi bag, and it has everything from breathers, medications, teeth, flossing, stuff like that, Band-Aids, just stuff like that. Easy to switch over. And then I have just my cards in a card case instead of a wallet, which will go in this little back. It's got a little back pouch. I'll put that in there. Same thing with my car keys. They'll easily go in. And then this is a little breath mints from Bob Ross. Happy Little Trees. It's so cute, y'all. I really do love this. It's just breath mint. And that matters. Look, they're shaped like little trees. Can you see that? They're shaped like little trees. Why do I need that? Mask breath. You don't want to have bad breath and be breathing it in your mask. So yeah. And then the things that I don't have in a pouch is this is my Chanel misting spray. I just need that if I ever feel, again, sleepy or nauseated. I just need to quickly cool off. I've got 2 medications that I need to keep handy, because I'm on some this week. Don't need that. That's trash. I do have this, my little, it's not mace, it's pepper spray in case I'm out somewhere and I need to have that handy. And then I also just got this at voting, and they gave me a couple of extra ones. They're little finger covers, so when you are at the grocery store and you've wiped down your buggy, but you still need to punch those little things when you're checking out, you just put that over the finger that you're punching. Isn't that great? So really, that should be in here with my COVID-19. So that little, I think I got 2 of them. Let me have a couple of them. I've already used one. What was this? Excuse me, this is the little card that my Hermes, came with my Hermes because I got this on Tradesy. Excuse me. And I just thought that was kind of cool. So, so again, I also keep in here, I don't know why it's in this, but my Organofi green juice, in case I ever forget to eat something and I need to have something wholesome to eat. Actually, and I'm going to take this sanitizer out because I'm not crazy about it. I got it, but I'm not crazy about it. It is a little Disney princess one, and this is the Beauty and the Beast one, so she kind of looks like me. It smells like grapes, and I don't know, I can't find it on there what the percentage of alcohol is. Y'all, your sanitizer should be at least, all of them should be at least 60% alcohol. So just know that. Okay, I just realized that there were some things that I need to keep in this outer thing. My fingernail file, I just use it all the time because I've got weak nails now. And my lipstick, which I do have some in there, so I don't really need it. Don't really need it. Okay. Except that today I'm actually using a different color lipstick. Where is it? It is the teakwood. No, chic rosewood. That's what it is. And then a pen, and I think I had pens in there. Yeah, so I don't need any of this stuff. Except I don't know. I may want to put these in here. So I'm going back to this now. This is one of my fun pens that I got from my friend Leslie. And so I think I am going to go ahead. Actually, I could just put that right here on the outside. That would be good. Both of these would be good right there. Yeah? Yeah. I'll just leave those on the outside. Yeah. Okay. So that's it. So now I've switched over. Yeah, it's everything. I've switched over, and just as easy, really, as pulling over my organizer. And sometimes when you switch over, you do reorganize and think, I don't need this in my purse today. I don't need this anymore. Sometimes it's too heavy and you need to start eliminating some things. So that's good to have. And so this is the purse that I will be wearing today. Again, this is from Mulberry, and I got it in this beautiful oxblood color. And I found out that this drooping like it is supposed to do that. It's not supposed to be straight across like an Hermes. And I love the handles, the rolled handles. And I love, it does not have a pocket on the back. I wish it did, because that's an easy, quick place to put your cell phone. But it does have a shoulder strap, and inside that first pocket, there's no zipper pocket on this side. It's all suede, by the way. But it does have an open pocket, and that's where I can have both my card case and my cell phone. So that'll work. Oh, and that's where I put that, what's it called again? Number 112, is it? Chic rosewood. And because I'm wearing kind of a darker, non-warm color, I put that in here today. And that's also where I'll put my cell phone. And it's ready to go. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you again soon.